Hello everybody!
Welcome!
Today we're going to be drawing
a really cute cactus!
A cactus or a cacti. Both are fine, I guess. So you need something to draw with, some paper, something to colour in with as well if you like. And let's get started. Yeah! Alright, so we've got our paper. Now the first thing I think we're going to draw is the pot. Because our cactus needs to live somewhere, obviously.
Yeah.
And they normally live in pots. So we're going to start on the bottom here. We're going to draw a slight curve of a line there. So this will be the bottom of the pot. And that's right. You have, looks like you started on the top. So I will do the top as well. So we'll do another curved line there for the top. A little bit wider than the bottom. Good. And then we just join these two corners up. A nice straight line like that.
Kind of diagonal.
Yeah, on a slight diagonal. And there's our pot. Nice and easy. Yeah. So let's draw the cactus. Now, we're going to draw the shape. Now, we'll start... Actually, what our cactus is going to have is a little flower on its head. I think we'll draw that. So let's draw that on the top corner, because our cactus is going to be like here. So in the top corner we're going to draw a little flower. Because cactuses normally have flowers.
Sometimes.
Yeah, quite pretty flowers. So we draw a little circle like that. And we can draw some petals. Up to you how many petals you want to draw. I think maybe we'll just draw 4.
Sometimes I like putting 5, sometimes I like putting so many.
Yeah. Or sometimes you can do 100 petals. Alright, so that is the flower that will be sitting on top of his head, and then we're going to draw the shape of the cactus, and it's a big oval kind of shape. So from the flower, we're just going to draw a curved line down here to the corner of the pot, and then on the top there we're going to continue around like that. So kind of, it's a bit of an egg shape actually.
Yeah, like an egg with a flower in a pot.
It could look like an egg, yeah.
In a little stand where we put your eggs in.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to draw, now because this cactus is a character, so I'm going to draw a face on this later. We're going to draw kind of arms. So quite often cactuses have little arms sticking out, not real arms, but...
Depends what cactus you have.
Yeah, that's right. They're all... I remember going to the garden shop, there were all different types of cactuses, different shapes and colours and
little
sizes.
circles.
Yeah, big long ones and all sorts. So we're going to do that on both sides. Now, it doesn't matter if the arms are the same shape or not, because if you look at a cactus in real life, it's not always perfectly the same. Alright, so let's draw the face on it. And I'm just going to draw a nice simple face. I'm going to draw 2 eyes, just about there, and again up to you how you decorate your eyes. I like to put little highlights in there like that, but up to you, you can put lashes on there of different colours and that sort of thing. Cool, and you put some lashes on there, that's really cool. You can make it your own one. And yeah, and we're just going to draw a little mouth here. I'm just going to do a really simple smiley face like that. But again, you can do all sorts of different mouths. Alright, so that's looking like a cactus, but we are missing the most important part. Cactuses.
Spikes.
Yeah, that's right. Cactuses are normally quite prickly, so we're going to draw little spikes, and it's quite simple. We're just going to draw
all
around the shape.
It's kind of like a furry cactus.
Yeah. So you can just draw little lines around it like this.
I'm going to put hundreds.
Yeah, up to you how many you put in. So sometimes the spikes are really big and long and sharp, and sometimes they're quite small and almost
tiny.
Yeah, it almost looks a bit like fur.
Yeah.
So we'll just do that. Awesome, that looks really good. So there we go, there's our cactus done. And you can see you can do it all different ways. You don't have to do it exactly like we do it. But next step is to colour in.
Colour in. And we're back!
Yeah, we finished colouring in and I think they look pretty great. So I've made mine just green and I'll put it kind of a orange kind of clay pot, and I've done my flower yellow and blue, but you can do it any colour you like. And what do you do with yours?
I put it a heart on the pot, and also I put it white dots on there, so it looks like there is white spikes coming out of the front.
Yeah, so it's really cool. So you can decorate the pot any way you like, and you can also decorate the cactus. So I've done lines on mine one, and you have done little spots to make it look like it's really prickly. So it's really cool. Are you happy with yours?
Yes!
Yeah, I think you did a wonderful job. Well, there you go. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Remember, if yours doesn't look exactly like ours, that's cool because you just made it special in your own way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you like this video, check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy. And we'll see you again next time. Bye.